Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. Today I'm going to show you how to plot a route on Google Maps. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. With the Google Maps tool, you can easily build custom routes for any upcoming trips. In order to do that, first open up a web browser and in the search bar type in maps.google.com and press enter. You'll be able to open up your Google Maps. Also, make sure that you're signed into your Google account. And once you are, tap on the horizontal line or the hamburger menu located at the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Select your places from the drop-down menu. Now, select Maps in the top row and click it on. Now, click on Create Map at the bottom left-hand corner and your custom map will open up in a new tab. Click on Untitled Map option. Now, enter a name and a description for your map. Soon after you do that, click Save. Now that you have your own map, it's time to plot a route. To begin, click on the Add Direction button right beneath the search bar at the top, and it will create a new direction layer in the menu located on the left-hand side of the screen. Select your transportation mode by clicking on this driving option, enter your departure point in the A text box, and enter your destination point in the B text box. Soon after you do that, Google will automatically plot a route, as you can see it on the display. If you want to customize it, click and drag the destination line and place it on a desired location. Your custom route will be saved on your Google Drive automatically. That is how you can easily plot a route on Google Maps using computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.